What did you get, Gavin?
It ran over my toe.
Whoa.
It ran over my toe, Mommy.
Wow.
Gavin, there's Lisa. Oh, Lisa. We have presents underneath the tree. Oh, my God. Lisa, look what Gavin got.
I see that. That is so cool.
Hopefully that gets you.
Okay, hold
I
on.
got. Mama, look what I asked for.
What is it, Gabby?
Makeup.
Woo!
Wow.
Well, that is awesome.
Look what else is in there.
Yeah.
Hairbells and stuff.
Yeah, I know that.
You know?
Awesome.
Look, Gab. Look at our stockings.
Get our stockings.
Mm.
Wow. A snowman's mine.
Whoa, Sissy's just fell.
The snowman's mine, Mama.
Yeah.
Look down.
I'm trying, but I'm not.
Ah.
Ow. I can get it off. Robbie,
Daddy, get this down. We have presents underneath the tree.
that's coming from that, Gab. Did you see her put that to her ear?
Daddy, look what I got. Dad. My hair, my hair looks like it. Look what else.
What is that?
Wait a minute, I gotta do this.
It's a necklace. Right there.
It's actually a key shine.
The coffee's been eaten. Oh my God. Dad, that's what
Watch
I
out.
got. The cookie's been eaten, Daddy.
We should go get her some pants, please.
Dad, Santa Claus came. Yeah.
That's who brought all that presents. What'd you get, Gavin? Take your passy out of your mouth.
What? I'll give you one. Dad. Look what I got, Dad. Dad.
Oh, yes,
What
Dad.
about that digger?
Here, Gab.
You got a
Put these
digger.
pants on, okay? Because Mama says you need pants.
Dad, where's that digger?
Oh, you gonna go dig?
No, it's the tin.
Just pretend. Gabby, sit down right here next to me and see what you got.
I found this one fell out of my stocking.
Yeah.
A movie.
I think these right here might be games, dude. Yeah, look, they're games for the computer.
I have games for the computer.
Look,
A
Gavin.
puzzle.
Look what's in your stocking.
Gavin, look, it's Batman.
Look.
Batman.
Ooh.
I won't give that.
Wow, that's
It's
a
all
cool
yours.
digger, Gavin.
Look at this. Look
You-
at this.
Yeah, what's that, Lisa?
You can share it with Gavin. What is that, Gabby? What
Yeah,
is
look,
it?
Batman.
Is that a new bear blanket?
Is
Isn't it pretty?
Daddy,
Yes, it's
look what I
yours.
got.
Cool. That one's nice and clean.
What do you say? That's a one.
Gavin, come here and open up your stocking.
You got a lot of diggers.
I knew he would
Yay,
be.
yay, yay,
Gavin,
yay.
piece of cheese. Let me get a
Look
picture
what
of
I
your
got.
digger. Let me get a picture of
What
your digger.
else I got in my stocking?
Look at him.
I got candy for my stocking. Gavin.
Look at me, Gavin. Look.
Gabby, did you open up all your stockings?
Look at me, Gavin.
Yeah, I found candy in there.
Did you open up? No, you still have more stuff all up in it. See, let's look.
Gee, look at me, your stocking.
Oh gosh.
You're gonna run into the table.
Oh, it's a new scarf.
Wow.
Here.
What did Alicia get? A squishy man.
Still at it, Gabby.
Yeah.
Isn't that cool?
Yeah. Candy.
Oh,
yeah.
Oh yeah, Tinkerbell.
Oh.
That's a Spider-Man towel, washcloth, I think.
Tell her to empty it all out.
Take everything out, Gabby.
Oh yeah.
Take everything out. Put it in there.
Look, you still got more stuff
We'll
in
put it
there.
later. I think you said you put in the
Oh,
bathtub.
one more. And it feels like.
You need to put this in the bathtub. You got some
Now
gum?
we can open up a
You
present.
got gum? No way.
Mom, now we can open up.
No. Wait until Gavin gets done. Gabby, sit down.
I got candy too, Gavin.
Can we help you?
Gavin, look what I got. Look what I got.
Gabby.
Think you opened it.
So that you're not making it.
Where is my pen?
Alicia, where's her pants?
I put them on the couch.
Oh.
What else is in there?
Gabby, look, you still have stuff in there. You want me to get it out for you?
No, I'll.
You want to get it out?
Can we help you?
Just gonna get my pen.
What's that?
Oh.
Hulk truck.
This is cute.
Spider-Man
Oh,
socks.
the way that feels.
You just getting the big presents?
I got one. What's this? What?
What is that?
Spider-Man basketball.
I always wanted Pickles. Can you open it?
I always wanted it.
Bubble bath. This is for the bathtub, Gavin. You open it when you take a bath. You got
Gavin,
another
go
present?
open another one.
Go open another present.
Bring one to me.
Oh yeah. I'll open it.
What's
I'll
that?
open the small one.
You gonna open all your small ones?
Gabby, go put it in the chair so you can open more.
Gavin.
Mama. This is
Pizza!
No, that's yours.
That's yours, Gavin.
I found yours, Alicia.
We'll get it in a minute.
This one?
I don't know which ones are mine. Hand me that one
See it,
silver
Gavin.
one.
Let me see it.
Oh.
This is that silver one.
It says mine.
Oh, is that
That's yours,
Alicia?
Gavin. That's yours. Open it up.
What is it? We'll have to open it. This one here.
I hate this when I have to hit it. It doesn't tear.
Wow,
Put it right
new pajamas.
There's soccer ball.
I got a box, Gabrielle.
Look, Alicia, what Gabby got.
No way. Look what else is in there.
Yeah, look at my God.
Wow.
Gaga.
What did you get, Gabby?
Look at that pretty skirt.
Shirt and a skirt.
Ooh, you're gonna have to go put that on in a few minutes. That's pretty. Okay, let's go back over to the tree.
Alicia.
That's yours, Gabby.
That's yours.
Here,
Gavin, go open your present.
This one's mine.
What's A? A is for Appalachia.
Micah.
What is it, Gavin?
Mango.
You got Mado?
Oh, mango.
Maida.
This is mine.
That is yours. You want me to show you how it works?
Yeah.
Come here.
What is this? It's really easy.
computer game.
Little Bill thinks
Class
big.
game.
Because we're multicultural.
See, Gavin?
Gavin, look at Mom and Dad. What's that?
Baseball player.
Baseball player, catcher.
That's what catchers
Are you
wear
the
so
catcher?
The ball won't hit him in the face.
Whoa! Hooray! Hooray!
My ring probably.